Hello everyone, and welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, where we explore the world's most fascinating classic vehicles, rare automotive creations, and forgotten legends of the road. If you love vintage machines and unique automotive history, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most unusual and impressive vehicles ever created, the 1937 Packard Motorhome. This remarkable machine combines the luxury and engineering excellence of Packard with the practicality of a home on wheels, decades before modern recreational vehicles became popular. The 1937 Packard Motorhome is a true automotive masterpiece. During the 1930s, Packard was recognized as one of America's most prestigious automobile manufacturers. The company was famous for producing elegant luxury cars that catered to wealthy businessmen, celebrities, and government officials. Their vehicles represented quality, innovation, and sophistication. What makes this particular motorhome so special is its incredible rarity and unique design. Unlike today's mass-produced RVs, the 1937 Packard Motorhome was a custom-built creation. It was designed during a time when the concept of traveling long distances while enjoying the comforts of home was still relatively new. Built on a Packard chassis, the motorhome showcased the company's renowned engineering standards. Under the hood was a powerful Packard engine that delivered reliable performance for its era. Considering the size and weight of the vehicle, having a strong and dependable powertrain was essential. Packard's reputation for smooth operation and durability made it an ideal foundation for such an ambitious project. Exterior. The exterior styling reflects the elegant automotive design language of the late 1930s. Rounded fenders, flowing body lines, large chrome accents, and a commanding front grille give the vehicle an unmistakable presence. Even today, the motorhome attracts attention wherever it appears because it looks unlike anything else on the road. One of the most fascinating aspects of the 1937 Packard Motorhome is its interior. At a time when most automobiles offered only basic comfort, this vehicle provided a mobile living space. Travelers could enjoy sleeping accommodations, seating areas, storage compartments, and various conveniences that were considered luxurious during that era. Imagine embarking on a cross-country adventure in the late 1930s. Highways were still developing, roadside infrastructure was limited, and long-distance travel could be challenging. Yet the Packard Motorhome offered a level of independence and comfort that was almost unimaginable for most people. It represented freedom, exploration, and luxury all in one package. The craftsmanship found throughout the vehicle is equally impressive. Builders paid careful attention to materials, construction quality, and functional design. Every detail reflects the pride and skill of the craftsmen who created it. Unlike modern production vehicles assembled in large numbers, custom vehicles like this were often built with extraordinary care and precision. Another reason enthusiasts admire the 1937 Packard Motorhome is its historical significance. It serves as an early example of what would eventually evolve into the modern recreational vehicle industry. Long before luxury RV resorts and advanced motorhomes became common, this Packard demonstrated the possibilities of combining transportation with comfortable living accommodations. Collectors and historians consider vehicles like this to be rolling pieces of history. They offer valuable insight into the creativity and innovation of automotive designers from the pre-war period. Every preserved example helps tell the story of how transportation evolved throughout the 20th century. When displayed at automotive events and classic vehicle shows, the Packard Motorhome often becomes a major attraction. Visitors are amazed by its size, elegance, and uniqueness. Many people have never seen a motorhome from the 1930s, making it a memorable experience to witness such a rare machine in person. The vehicle also highlights Packard's willingness to push boundaries. While the company was already known for producing some of America's finest luxury automobiles, projects like this demonstrated how versatile their engineering could be. It showed that Packard technology could serve purposes far beyond traditional passenger transportation. Today, surviving examples of the 1937 Packard Motorhome are extremely rare. Their scarcity only increases their value and appeal among collectors. Restored models can require significant time, expertise, and investment, but the results are often breathtaking. Seeing one restored to its original glory allows enthusiasts to appreciate the remarkable vision behind its creation. The 1937 Packard Motorhome reminds us that innovation has always been part of automotive history. Even nearly a century ago, designers were imagining new ways to travel in comfort and style. Their ideas laid the foundation for many of the recreational vehicles we enjoy today. As we look back at this extraordinary machine, it becomes clear that it represents much more than transportation. It symbolizes adventure, luxury, craftsmanship, and the pioneering spirit of an era when the open road promised endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on Auto Luxury Channel as we explored the incredible 1937 Packard Motorhome. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with fellow classic vehicle enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments which rare vintage vehicle you'd like us to feature next. Until next time, keep your passion for classic automobiles alive and continue exploring the amazing stories behind the world's greatest vehicles. Did you like this feature?